What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-109245-1, and the license information of the content cannot be confirmed. So you got the license problem for the content license. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we go to the screen, and then you just go to the settings here and user and accounts, then go to the others. Here's a restore license. So simply you just restore the license. If you become unable to use a content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the license for the content. Try restoring the license. So simply just restore the license. After restoring the license, maybe your content will be work. So simply that's how. And you must check the address. Some content it's not available in some region, country and region. You must check it. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.